Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we love to talk about supply chain and help you learn about it. You might hear this term thrown around a lot in the news, but what does it really mean? Well, let's break it down. First off, what is supply chain? Put simply, supply chain is the entire network of people, organizations, activities, information, and resources involved in creating a product or service and getting it to the end consumer. Think of a chain. Each link in this chain is a step that something takes to go from its raw form to the finished product you buy. The supply chain is just that. All the steps and people involved in getting a product from where it's made or found to your hands. It's about the journey of an item. Let's use an example, the coffee you drink. The farm. On a small farm far away, coffee beans start their journey as little seeds inside coffee cherries. Farmers carefully grow and harvest these beans. They process them, removing the outer layers to reveal the green, unroasted beans. Link in the chain, the very beginning. The source of the raw material. The processor, exporter. The next step involves taking these raw coffee beans and preparing them for export. Workers sort through the beans, removing any defects or impurities. They then pack them into large bags ready for transport. To move the coffee beans across borders, they are often shipped in massive containers on cargo ships. Link in the chain, getting the raw material ready for its long trip and starting that journey. The importer roaster. Once the ship carrying the coffee beans arrives at its destination, a coffee importer or exporter will take delivery. Their primary responsibility is to oversee the import process, ensuring all necessary documentation and customs procedures are properly handled. They may also begin the transformation of the green coffee beans into the more recognizable form by roasting them. During roasting, the beans undergo a series of complex chemical reactions, developing their characteristic aroma, flavor, and dark color. After roasting, the beans are often ground and packaged for distribution. Link in the chain, bringing the product into the country and transforming it into something you recognize as coffee. The warehouse. Before the coffee reaches your local store, it is typically held in a warehouse. This storage facility plays a crucial role in the supply chain, acting as a buffer between the coffee roaster and the retailers. Link in the chain, holding the product safely until it's needed. The distributor trucking company. The distributor or trucking company takes charge of transporting the coffee from the warehouse to various retail locations. They plan efficient routes, load the trucks, and ensure the safe and timely delivery of the coffee to stores. Link in the chain, physical movement and delivery, the retailer. Finally, the coffee is placed on the shelves of your favorite grocery store or coffee shop ready for you to buy. The retailer's role is to make the coffee available for purchase, ensuring it is fresh and displayed attractively to entice customers. Link in the chain, the final stop before the customer, you. And now you, the customer, purchase the coffee, take it home, brew it, and enjoy the fruits of this intricate supply chain journey. Link in the chain, the end user. And don't forget, behind each of these links in the coffee supply chain, there are numerous other businesses providing essential services. For instance, the company that manufactures the coffee bags, the label makers, the truck manufacturers, and so on. They all contribute to the overall supply chain supporting the production and distribution of your cup of coffee. Overview of Supply Chain Management, SCM. Now that we understand the coffee supply chain, let's talk about supply chain management. While the supply chain represents the journey itself, supply chain management, SCM, is the driving force behind ensuring each step functions flawlessly. It's about coordinating all parts of the supply chain to make the coffee journey as smooth and efficient as possible. The ultimate goal of SCM is to optimize every aspect of the supply chain, aiming to achieve 4 key objectives: make it fast, make it cheap, make it right, and keep you happy. These objectives highlight the importance of SCM in delivering products quickly, cost-effectively, and to the customer's satisfaction. By focusing on these objectives, SCM helps businesses provide a seamless and positive customer experience while also improving efficiency and reducing costs throughout the supply chain. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.